Hello everyone, and a very happy welcome to our channel. Today, we have something truly special to talk about. The EM90 MPV, a luxurious six-seater that is redefining comfort and innovation in the world of premium MPVs. If you love cars that combine elegance, technology, and practicality, you're in the right place. So, buckle up and stay with us as we take you on an in-depth journey through this incredible vehicle. The EM90 MPV is not just a car, it's a complete experience. Designed for those who appreciate sophistication, space, and cutting-edge technology, this MPV is crafted to cater to both business and family needs. Whether you are looking for an executive-class vehicle or a spacious, comfortable ride for your family, the EM90 MPV meets all expectations with style and efficiency. Let's start with the design. The exterior is a masterpiece of modern engineering. Sleek lines, a bold front grille, and signature LED headlights create an imposing presence on the road. The aerodynamic structure enhances performance and efficiency while maintaining a refined look that stands out. The alloy wheels add a touch of elegance, while the panoramic sunroof elevates the overall experience of luxury and openness. Now, step inside, and you will be greeted by a world of unmatched comfort. The spacious six-seater configuration ensures that every passenger enjoys a premium experience. The plush leather seats are designed with advanced ergonomics to provide maximum support, even on long journeys. The captain seats in the second row offer adjustable recline, heating, and massage functions, making it a first-class experience on wheels. The ambient lighting, high-quality materials, and meticulous attention to detail create an atmosphere of sophistication and relaxation. Technology is at the heart of the EM90 MPV. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen with seamless connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice command integration. The premium surround sound system immerses passengers in crystal-clear audio, whether you're enjoying music, podcasts, or hands-free calling. Rear seat entertainment screens add to the convenience, keeping passengers engaged on long trips. Safety is a top priority, and this MPV doesn't disappoint. It is equipped with an array of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an intelligent emergency braking system. Multiple airbags and a high-strength body frame ensure optimal protection in case of an accident. The 360-degree camera and parking sensors make maneuvering effortless, even in tight spaces. Performance-wise, the EM90 MPV is built to deliver both power and efficiency. The hybrid engine option offers an eco-friendly drive without compromising on performance. The smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and well-tuned suspension system ensure a comfortable ride, whether you're driving in the city or on the highway. The electric variant provides a silent and emission-free drive, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a sustainable and futuristic vehicle. Practicality is another strong point of the EM90 MPV. The generous boot space allows for easy storage of luggage, making it ideal for long trips. The smart storage compartments and foldable seats add to the versatility, making it adaptable to various needs. The hands-free power tailgate adds convenience, allowing easy access even when your hands are full. The EM90 MPV is more than just a car. It's a statement of luxury and modernity. It brings together innovation, safety, comfort, and performance in a way that very few vehicles can. Whether you are a professional looking for a stylish ride, or a family in search of the perfect travel companion, this MPV checks all the right boxes. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more exciting content on the latest and most amazing cars. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.